Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to contact customer service on SHEIN. As you can see here, I have here my SHEIN app opened. All right, now you can do this on both web version and the app version. Now to contact a customer service, just go ahead and go to the Me section right here at the bottom right and make sure that you're logged in. If you're not logged in, don't worry, SHEIN will automatically ask you to log in. All right, now once you've done that, go ahead over to these sections right here, and as you can see, under more services, customer service is available. Just go ahead and tap or click on it. All right, now what we're going to do here basically is just scroll down. If you can't see this customer service with black background right here, all right, just scroll down until you see can't find the answer you're looking for, chat with customer service. All right, the live chat will be available for 8 a.m. to 17 p.m. All right, just go ahead and click on it. And once you're in here, just go ahead and enter your concern right here. For example, hi, the UPS lost my item. Just hit on send. All right, and the bot will ask you. It sounds like you want to ask about why is my item missing. Simply click on no. All right, if you click on yes, the bot will just give you pre-written answers. All right, just hit on no, then type in live agent. All right, as you can see here, during the peak period of customer consultations, you may not be able to access it immediately. Recommend you to wait patiently or come back later. So what we're going to do here is just basically wait. A live agent will get back to you in a moment. So as you can see, I don't know if you can see my time, but it's just 6:25 a.m. here, and as you might noticed earlier, live chat is open at 8 a.m. All right, so patiently wait until a live agent will get back to you, or you can just close this one and you will receive a notification that a live agent is chatting with you. And that's basically it. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.